Hi kindergarten and happy Monday! In this video, we are going to be spending some time working on subtraction problems. So, if you can, I want you to pause the video and go get something to write with and a piece of paper. All right, now that you have something to write with and a piece of paper, we're going to go ahead and get started. We know that subtraction means to, you're right, subtraction means to take away. Let's do it again, ready? Subtraction means to take away. One more time. Subtraction means to take away. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be practicing doing our subtraction problems. Now, if you don't have a piece of paper and something to write with, that's okay. Remember when we used our fingers to do subtraction problems? That's another really great strategy for you to use to solve subtraction problems. So Mrs. Peterson, she is going to do a problem first for you. So I just need you to keep your eyes and ears on the screen, okay? We are going to do 5 minus 1 equals. Now I want to know what my difference is. And we know that my difference is my answer in subtraction problems. So I'm going to look to see what number I'm starting with. I'm starting with 5. And I'm taking away 1. 5 minus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to look to see how many am I going to take away. How many am I going to cross out? So I'm starting with 5 and I'm taking away 1. So I'm going to cross off 1 circle. Now I want to see what my difference is. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to count up all the circles that I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. My difference is 4. Let's read the subtraction problem together. Ready? 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now for this next problem, I want you to try it with me. We're going to start by writing the number 8. Can you write 8 down? We know that we're going to make a minus sign next because we're doing subtraction problems and we use minus signs when we practice subtraction. So we're going to do 8 minus 2. Can you make a 2? And then the next symbol I need to write is my equal sign so we can write down our difference. So 8 minus 2. Take a minute and think. How many circles am I going to draw? How many am I starting out with? I'm starting out with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm starting with 8. And then how many am I going to take away from 8? What's my next number? I'm going to cross off 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2. And now to get my difference, I have to count up what I have left. So let's go ahead and let's do that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's my difference? My difference is 6. All right, now let's do this next one together again. But I'm going to give you a word problem. Are you ready? So Javion has 10 cars. So that's our first, that's what we're starting with. That's our first number. So Javion has 10 cars. And then Yanaya wants to borrow 3 of them. So we're going to take away 3 because Yanaya is using 3 cars. Now what's my difference? How many does Kumar have left? Let's take a minute and let's think. How are we going to solve this problem? We're going to start by drawing 10 circles because that's how many cars Javion started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many did Yanaya borrow? How many are we going to take away? Yanaya borrowed 3, so we're going to cross off 3 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, how many cars does Javion have left? What's my difference? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My difference is 7. Good job, kindergarten. You guys did a great job. Let's try a couple more together. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you the problems, and I want you to pause the video. I want you to solve them. And then Mrs. Peterson is going to give you the answers, okay? So go ahead and write these down. Your first one is 9 minus 3 equals. Your next one is 4 minus 2 equals. Your next one is 6 minus 1 equals. And then your last problem is 10 minus 4 equals. Now you can use your fingers to solve or you can draw dots. So these are your problems. Go ahead and click the pause button. All right, are you ready to hear these answers? 9 minus 3 equals, you should have 6. You might have drawn 9 circles and crossed off 3 to get 6, or maybe you showed me 9 on your fingers and you put 3 down. Let's go on to the next one. 4 minus 2 equals 2. You might have drawn 4 circles and crossed off 2 to get your difference, or maybe you used your fingers. Your next one, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Oops, there we go. Now you might have used your fingers, or you could have drawn 6 circles, crossed off 1, and knew that you had a difference of 5. Your last one was 10 minus 4 equals 6. You could have put up 10 fingers, put down 4 fingers, and got a difference of 6. Or maybe you drew dots. Maybe you drew 10 dots, crossed off 4, and then ended up with 6. So these were our problems, and these were our answers. Kiss your brain, kindergarten. You did a wonderful job. We know that when we do subtraction problems, subtraction means to take away. And my answer is called the difference. Can you say difference? Difference. Difference. Good job today, kindergarten. You guys are awesome mathematicians. I love and miss you very much, and have a great rest of your day.